Children, today we are going to do class 3 English reader you take out. We'll be doing a poem Don't Throw the Seeds Away by Paramita Kar. Okay, it is written by Paramita Kar. It is a poem. In this poem, the poet wants everyone to plant a tree. That is, he wants people not to throw the seeds but instead sow them so that they can grow into huge tree that give us delicious fruit. These fruits make us healthy and strong. This first I will read the poem. After reading, I'll explain it stanza wise. Okay? So this is it how it goes. It makes you healthy. It gives you energy. An apple or a guava, an orange or a papaya. Have a fruit every day, but don't throw the seeds away. In this paragraph, in this stanza, he is telling us that to become energetic, to become healthy, we must eat the fruits every day. But what thing we don't have to do is we don't have to throw the seeds away. Okay? Second stanza. Here's a simple thing you can do. You could tell all your friends too. Plant the seed in the soil. It does not take much time or toil. Toil means hard work. Time or toil. Pour a little water in. A young shoot will soon appear. Means what he's telling us, the poet, that you should eat the fruit daily, but don't throw away the seeds. Instead, you sow them. You put them in the soil. You can put it in your garden, outside your house. You put it and put the soil over it, the mud over inside the mud. You can put it, and it to do such thing, to put this in the soil, it doesn't take much time and there's no need of hard work. It is very simple. And what you have to do is you have to pour a little water every day so that a young shoot, a young plant like this will come out from the seed like this which you sow. Okay? A young shoot will soon appear means a young small plant will come out. You can see in the picture itself, the child is putting the seeds inside. Here they have put already inside the soil. Now the plant is growing. A small plant is coming out. In time, it will become a big tree, which gives us so much to you and me. This way, there will be forests again, green and clean, our earth will remain. So, the poet is telling us, after we put this small plant, when it comes out, after we put the soil in the seed in the soil, a young plant will come out. And after this young plant, we take care of, we nurture it, we pour water every day to it, it will become a big tree. And you know, trees are very helpful. They provide us fruit. They give us wood to make furniture. So many things we get: medicine, soap, gum, rubber. All these things we get from the trees. Okay, this way there will be forest again, and more trees will grow, and there will be lot of forest will be there, and our earth will become clean and green. There is lot of pollution these days, no? So to remove that pollution, we have to plant more and more trees so that the pollution gets over. And because of this pollution, all this sickness is spreading. So to keep this away, we have to plant more and more trees by putting the seed inside the soil. Grow trees this easy way. It is very easy to grow the trees, and it is fun too. I say, the poet is saying it is fun also because we enjoy. So have a fruit every day, but remember, don't throw the seeds away. He's telling us we have to eat the fruit and take the seed and put it in the soil. And when you will see this plant coming out, growing little by little, you will feel very happy at your heart, and you will love to see it growing. like how a child grows in its family, small baby grows, and the people enjoy the way they grow, to see them growing. So same way you will feel very happy to see the tree growing that you have planted. Okay, this is the poem. So, and he's just saying, the poet wants to tell you that fruits you eat make you healthy and strong. So why do we throw the seeds? Plant them in your garden, and also say to your friends to plant it more, to plant more and more seeds. But don't throw the seeds here and there, and there will be forest again. The environment will become clean. This is what the poet is telling us to do. So this is the poem. It gets over here. It gets over, but I have explained you also, and I will read it once over again. You will read this poem 5 times, and then I'll send you the assignment written work, which is in your textbook. You will do it. I'll send page number 39 and 40. I'll turn and send the pictures also, and you will do that work. Is it okay? Okay, all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.